Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to flip video in CapCut. To get started, launch CapCut. Import the video you want to add. Now select the video and find the edit button. Then click it. You can flip your video by clicking the mirror button. This will flip the video from left to right. And if you want to rotate your video by 90 degrees, then you can do that by clicking on rotate button. And that's how easily you can flip or rotate your video using CapCut. How to get 4K quality in CapCut. To get started, launch CapCut and import your project to the timeline. Now click on edit option and search for adjust setting. Once you have found it, click on it and do what I do. Put your saturation to 20, brightness 4, highlight 5, shadow 5, sharpening 85. Then go to HSL. According to your clips, adjust color saturation. Now make sure to select the 4K resolution and desired quality settings in the export settings and export your video. That is how easily you can get 4K quality in CapCut videos. How to voice change in CapCut. To get started, launch CapCut app. Then add your project to the timeline. Now select the extract audio from the menu and select the audio track on the timeline. Then voice effects. The first option lets you change your voice pitch. And you will find there other cool effects to apply. Choose the one you like and export it. You are all done now. So that is how easily you can change voice in CapCut. How to reduce noise in CapCut. To get started, launch CapCut, add your project to the timeline. Now tap on the clip in the timeline to select it. Look for the edit button, then select extract audio option. Now tap on audio to select in order to reduce noise. Look for noise reduction option. Here just click on the reduce noise button to turn on. Now we have successfully reduced noise in videos in CapCut. How to loop a video on CapCut. To get started, launch CapCut app. Add your project to the timeline. And now simply select the video and tap on it. Now you will see many options at the bottom of the screen. Select copy option and you will get 2 videos. Now to loop video, select second video and choose reverse option. Here you have successfully looped a video using a CapCut. How to do velocity edit on CapCut. To get started, launch the CapCut app on your device. Start by importing the video clip you want to edit in your CapCut project. Here you will see many options. Among them, look for a speed or velocity option in the app's toolbar or setting option. It might be represented by a clock or stopwatch icon. Tap on this button to access the speed adjustment settings. You should be able to increase or decrease the speed of the video clip by adjusting the slider or entering a specific speed percentage. Now play the video to preview the velocity changes and make sure it looks like how you want it. Once you are done, tap to export button and save the video. So this is how it looks after doing a velocity edit on CapCut. How to remove CapCut watermark. To get started, open Launch CapCut app. At the top left, you can see setting button. Now click on the setting button. Here you will see many options. Among them there is add default ending option. Click on the button and click on discard option. Now your setting is off, and that's how easily you can remove CapCut watermark. How to fast forward video in CapCut. To get started, launch CapCut. Then import any video you want. Now select the video clip on the timeline by tapping on it. Once the video clip is selected, you will see various editing options at the bottom of the screen. Look for the speed option. Tap on speed option and you will be presented with a slider that allows you to adjust the speed of the video. Slide it to the right to increase the speed. Now preview the video and make sure the speed adjustment is to your liking. Once you are satisfied with the speed change, export the video and save it. That's it, you have successfully fast forwarded video in CapCut. How to remove background in CapCut. So as you can see, we are currently inside the CapCut and a photo has already been imported. Go to edit option. Within the editing option, locate cutout. Click on cutout. You will encounter 3 choices. Select customize. We will be avoiding the remove background tool as it is not always reliable. Once you are in the customize cutout section, you will find 2 tools, brush and wipe. Use the brush to select the objects you want to keep in your video. Everything else will be removed. To preview the results, there's a small eye button that lets you see how the photo looks after removing the background. The wipe tool is for erasing your brush selections. We won't be refining our selection in this video because it's merely a demonstration of how to remove a background in CapCut. So this is how easily you can remove background in CapCut. How to blur video in CapCut. To get started, launch the CapCut app on your device. Tap on the plus button or the new project option to create a new project. Then select the video you want to blur from your device gallery and add it to your project timeline. Once your video is added to the timeline, tap on it and select it. To apply a blur effect, tap on Effects option at the bottom of the screen. CapCut offers 2 types of blurring effects, Mosaic and Gaussian. Here we will go for Mosaic effects. Mosaic creates a pixelated blur. After choosing the blur effect, you can adjust the strength or intensity of the blur effect by using the slider provided. Tap the play button to preview your video with the blur effect applied. If you are satisfied with the blur effects, tap the check mark or apply button to save the changes. Once you have applied the blur effect and made any other edits, tap the export or save button to save your video. That's it, you have successfully blurred a video using the CapCut app on your device. You can now share or use the blur video as needed. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.